Today I will talk about how can you select weekly start date on your money manage app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here on configuration. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you come here to weekly start day, so you click on it here. So then here can you select weekly start day here in this list. If you want to add here any of days, then it's going to add with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,